Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I'll be showing to you guys how to make a quick and easy diaper cake for a baby shower. I'll be hosting a baby shower this weekend for a friend, and these are the materials that I'm going to need. I'm going to need some pink ribbon. It's a girl. So I am going to need some of diapers and some baby blankets. And we are going to need some rubber band. It's a large rubber band, and also a safety pin to keep our blanket in place. And to get started, I am going to use this cake lining. So I will get an idea on how big is the cake is, or a diaper cake is. So this is actually my second time hosting a baby shower. The first one I made kind of like a cart diapers, but this one is just don't have any time. This is a really quick and easy making diaper cake or a centerpiece. So to get started, you're just gonna need a handful of diapers, about 5 pieces, and just tie it with a rubber band just like that. And you are just gonna keep adding diapers on the side to get the size that you wanted. I made about 3 layers of this diaper, and I am going to wrap it with baby blanket. So just keep adding it to the size that you wanted, or how big the layer of the cake, diaper cake you wanted. And there you go. This is the final product. I'm sorry I missed recording it, but it's basically 3 layers of the diapers, and just wrap it with the baby blanket, and I use the safety pin to secure it, and just adding some decoration, and there you go. That's how you made a centerpiece baby diapers for the baby shower. So if you guys are planning to host a baby shower, this is one of the ideas. And I hope you guys like this video, and thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. You guys have a wonderful day. Bye bye.